Maayong adlaw everyone! Welcome to our virtual tour of Camarines Norte, the gateway to Bicol region. I'm Jamaica.
And I am Ira. Sit back, relax, and let's explore the beauty, culture, and charm of Camarines Norte.
Aquino Boulevard is one of the most scenic coastal spots here in Camarines Norte. This boulevard is a favorite among locals and visitors for its calm atmosphere.
Known as the surfing capital of Bicol region, Bagasbas Beach offers a consistent waves all around the year. Whether you're a first-timer, a seasoned surfer, the ocean here invites you to ride, learn, and conquer. The parroquia of San Pedro Apostol is located in Binson, Camarines Norte and was built in 1611.
It is considered a heritage site and a symbol of faith for locals, often hosting festival and celebration tied to its patron.
Calaguas Island is one of the Philippines' most beautiful and peaceful islands. It is famous for its soft white sand, clear waters, and stunning views that seem like paradise. You can swim, snorkel, or just relax on the beach and enjoy. Many people also love camping here to watch amazing sunrises and sunsets. Calaguas is the perfect place to escape the busy city, enjoy nature, and spend time with friends or family in a truly beautiful setting.
Camarines Norte also comes alive with its vibrant festivals.
When it comes to celebrations, Camarines Norte shines through its festival in Paracale. The first one is Pabirik Festival. The word pabirik comes from the local gold planning method used by the early miners. That's why you'll see dancers carrying miniature pans, symbolizing the town's gold-rich heritage.
The word Bantayog means monument. The festival is inspired by the first Rizal monument in Daet, Camarines Norte, built to honor Dr. Jose Rizal. It commemorates the Daet Revolt of 1898, where local revolutionaries fought against Spanish.
Of course, a tour is never complete without food. Camarines Norte has several must-try delicacies. First is the pili nuts.
Of course, a tour is never complete without food. Camarines Norte has several must-try delicacies. First is the pili nuts. It is known for its hard shell, famous for their rich, buttery taste. Locals turn them into candies, tarts, and even chocolates. If you are looking for the perfect pasulubong, pili nuts never fail. And don't miss sinantolan. It is made from grated santol, simmered in coconut milk, chilies, and spices. Creamy, tangy, and a little spicy, just like Bicol's personality. If you love anything ginataan, this dish is a must-try.
Camarines Norte stands out because of its perfect balance of nature and culture. It offers the beauty of world-class beaches while preserving traditions and heritage.
What makes it truly special is its authenticity. It is not overly commercialized, giving travelers a chance to slow down, connect with locals, and experience the province in its purest form.